Pump in Style Advanced Pump with Backpack is a game changer for nursing women who pump multiple times a day. This sleek black backpack houses a convenient double electric breast pump with a one-touch let-down button for quick and easy expression on the go. The advanced pump utilizes two-phase expression technology to mimic the natural breastfeeding process, ensuring maximum pumping success. With 2 zip side pockets and 2 zip main compartments, this backpack provides ample storage for breast milk and lactation accessories. Built-in bottle holders and a tubing storage pocket help keep everything organized and reduce the risk of spills. The included battery pack, single knob speed or vacuum adjustments, and removable cooler bag with a contoured ice pack make this pump not only portable but also incredibly efficient. Say goodbye to cumbersome pumping sessions and hello to convenience with the Pump in Style Advanced Pump with Backpack.